2022. All right, it's almost 2023, and you are not monetizing the fastest growing thing in the world, which is social media. There is a lot of money that you can make on social media. I wish more people would understand. The best time is now. Now is the time to learn how to make supplemental income from social media. I can't shut up about it because it has changed my entire life. I used to work 2 full-time jobs as a medical assistant, barely able to pay my bills, scraping by to put food in my stomach. And I started this business because I wanted extra money to do my lashes and get my nails done and do things that I want to do. And I did that and replaced both of my incomes. Prove it sends me $800 a month for my Range Rover car payment. Like, social media has completely changed my life in so many ways. Like, and I really do have to say thank you to every single person watching this, whether you like the video, whether you comment, whether you share it, whether you message me directly and we get to know each other. You are directly supporting me by literally just watching me. And so I have to say thank you. Thank you for helping me change my life. But in return, can you please let me teach you how to change your life as well? You're already on social media. You're already scrolling the whole. Why not let me teach you how to utilize social media to make money instead of just waste time? So if you want to learn more, make sure you follow me first of all. Drop in the comments the word info, and let's learn from each other.